In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working promo code or coupon code or discount code for Duolingo application in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and in the search box just enter Duolingo promo code. It brings you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo codes. You can open up any of them, and from here you can check all the promo codes that it offers. Here, for example, I got $100 off Duolingo coupon. I can hit there at show promo code. Here I can see the coupon, it's actually Dracaris, and now that promo code has just been copied to my clipboard, and now I can move to duolingo.com or to Duolingo application, and there I can buy their stuff and use that promo code. Just don't forget to enter it in promo code field and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go to that website and from here try to use another promo code, like for example, that one gives you 20% off. You can hit on copy and then go to duolingo.com and there try to use that one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.